Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Arshadania from Shimano. So today we conducted a lab that consists of RL and RLs for series and parallel circuits. We need to determine the calculation and measurement for series and parallel RL. So for the first question is what's the difference between series and parallel for RL circuit. So for the series one, current flows in one direction only. Meanwhile, for parallel circuit, it flows in many branches. Next is the current in series is the same. Meanwhile, the voltage drop in each resistor is not the same. Okay. For the parallel one, the current is not the same at the branches. So if we measure the current at branches 1 and branches 2, it will be different. Meanwhile, for the voltage, if we measure voltage at each branches, it will show the same value. So, okay, for the relationship between current total and voltage supply, it will show in the oscilloscope when we connect the circuit. When we connect the circuit to the oscilloscope, it will show the waveform. So this is the waveform. For the blue one is the current total and the yellow one is voltage supply. Okay, for as we can see, wave of voltage supply is lead current total. So that's the findings that we got from the circuit. Okay, so for the frequencies, we need to change the frequencies at the differential generator at 1.6K, 1.1K and 2K Hz. So the relationship is the same, which is voltage supply lead current total. This experiment, we analyze the behavior of series and parallel RL circuit by measuring the voltage and the current. For RL circuit, series circuit, we can calculate the total impedance by using formula Z total equals to R plus JSL. Meanwhile, for parallel circuit, Z total equals to R times JSL over R plus JSL. The experimental result match the theoretical and prediction relationship between voltage, currents, impedance in the series and parallel circuits. So for the challenges during the experiments is identify the problem which apparatus is not working and to troubleshoot the circuits. So for the conclusion, in these experiments, we analyze the behavior of series and parallel RL circuit by measuring the current, the voltage. So for this lab, that's all for me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.